Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to attach a document from our H drive into the body, or not into the body of an email, but as an attachment. So what you're going to do first, you're going to compose an email. If you're sending it to me, you would type in my name, S. Davis. You're going to know it's me because of this Hawkeye symbol I have over on the left side. In the subject, I always want you to put your first and last names. I'm going to use my husband's first and last name, and then what the assignment is. So Eric Davis, cell, organelle assignment. And then always, just professionally, you want to add something to the body of the email. This is just a practice for learning how to be a professional in the world. So Mrs. Davis, here is my cell organelle assignment. Thanks. Have an awesome day. Okay, so now we're ready to attach the document. So you're going to go to down here to this attach files. It looks like a paperclip. You do not want to copy and paste the whole document into the email. You want to attach it instead. That just looks professional. It's much easier for me to organize and see. So you're going to attach the file and go to attach files. What pops up is your whole list of HP places that you can go. You always want to go to your H drive. You always want to save to your H drive. That way it is available to you. It's available to you at home. It's also available to you at school. So I am currently in the H drive, and maybe I want to attach the SOL 8 vocabulary. So what I do is I can either click it and press open, or I can double click it. Either way, it's going to get it into the email. You know that it's there when it turns blue. And that's it. That's all you have to do to send that email with that attachment. If, on the other hand, you want to share a Google Drive document, that is not shared in an email. It is just shared through your Google Drive. So you're going to share it, press the share button at the very top of that particular document, and then it's going to go to me. So for example, this resource right here is a document. I want to share it, or you want to share it to me. You're going to wait until this right here turns a nice shade of blue. Share it. And then you'll type in who you want to get this. Okay. Remember, you can always choose what kind of rights that person has. So they can be an editor, they can be just comment on it, they can be a viewer. The commenter part's nice to send to a teacher because I can then give you some comments that you might want to hear about. You probably don't want me to be able to edit the document, but maybe so. If I'm a viewer, I can't really do much to it, but just give you a grade. And then down here, you can copy the link, but again, the same restriction, these people who get this link, they are just viewers. Okay, so if you want something more than a viewer, you have to do it up in this section. And then you'll press. Okay, there you have it. I hope that was easy.